Are you looking for a simple, AI-powered way to generate passive income? Today, we're reviewing $500 Google Payday, a money automation setup tool that claims to make earning effortless. But does it actually work? Stay tuned as we dive deep into its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. So, what exactly is $500 Google Payday? It's a money automation tool built for working professionals, investors, and digital marketers who want a passive income stream without spending hours managing a business. It's an AI-powered system that handles most of the work, making it beginner-friendly and time-efficient. If you're a college student, a busy professional, or someone looking for an automated side hustle, this could be worth exploring. Let's talk about the key benefits. $500 Google Payday offers a plug-and-play money-making system, so you don't need experience to get started. The seller provides a complete guide for easy setup. The AI automates the process, eliminating the need for research, marketing, or building an online business from scratch. Unlike traditional methods, this AI-driven system does the heavy lifting for you. The biggest struggle for most people? Lack of time and budget to start a profitable side hustle. With $500 Google Payday, you get a pre-built system that removes the hassle of research and development. No need for digital marketing expertise or setting up an e-commerce store, the AI does the work for you. No product is perfect, so let's weigh the pros and cons to help you decide. White heavy checkmark pros. Beginner-friendly and fully automated. Weekly Q&A sessions and tutorials included. AI integration saves hours of work. Crossmark cons. No demo video available. Lack of transparency on the system's logic. Money-back guarantee is 180 days, but no proven success rate. Now, let's talk about pricing. $500 Google Payday offers multiple versions. Basic version, $17. $1 Million app, $9. Special edition, $26. Automation package, $67. There are also additional upsells for advanced features, but these are optional. Who should buy this? If you're a working professional, college student, housewife, or entrepreneur looking for an AI-driven passive income system, this might be a good fit. It includes step-by-step video tutorials, profit strategies, and live support, which is a great plus for beginners. However, if you're looking for a 100% guaranteed income source, this might not be the right choice. The success rate is 50-50, and there's no concrete proof of consistent earnings. So, is $500 Google Payday worth it? The concept is solid, the seller is verified with an elite badge, and AI automation is a major advantage. But, if you're expecting instant guaranteed profits, you might want to reconsider. This is a side hustle tool, not a magic money machine. What do you think of $500 Google Payday? Would you give it a shot? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.